Hi guys, and welcome to another tips and tricks video. Now this video is about the Insta360 camera and the selfie stick. Now you might be trying to make the selfie stick disappear, and that's the whole reason why we got the Insta360 cameras, because we've got promised that if we bought the Insta360 selfie sticks, they are going to disappear magically from our footage. But when I've been trying this, I find that sometimes the selfie stick doesn't disappear. And I'm just been trying to figure out why is that. Now, if you're suffering from the same issue, then watch this video and I shall reveal all. Okay, so the first reason, and perhaps the most common, is the camera is not completely straight on the selfie stick. Now, if it's at all at an angle like this, or like this in any way, then that is going to cause the selfie stick to actually appear in your footage. So the first trick is to make sure it's completely straight on, completely straight on your selfie stick, 100%, and then it should make the selfie stick disappear. However, that's all very well, but you may find that although the selfie stick looks like it disappears, there's still a black circle or a little bit of a sort of shadow of something appearing in your footage, and it's really annoying. So if you're suffering from this and you've also noticed in your footage and you're wondering what's causing that, well, let me reveal. What it seems to be, and it just took me a little while to figure out, is the way it's attached to the selfie stick. Now, many videos on YouTube say that what you need to do is you just need to unscrew the thing at the very top here, the actual circle bit, and that's what's causing the black circle. However, that only applies if you have the old version of the extended selfie stick. If you have the new version, and that's the more expensive version, not sure why it's more expensive, but the one that's more expensive, which is the one that I've got, this actual black circle at the top here, now this bit here, let me just take it off just so it doesn't confuse you. I'm talking about the black circle here. That thing doesn't actually come off. So I've been sitting there screwing the thing off like crazy and it doesn't come off. I'm still wondering what to do about it. Well, it turns out that the actual attachment I was using, and this is a standard GoPro attachment, let me just show you on the screen what I'm talking about. So it's the one that's sort of got a circle here and then got the one with a little GoPro attachment, and it's very, very common. And I've been using that to actually attach the camera to the selfie stick. But I noticed, first of all, is that it's got a very slight curve on it. Also, the actual circle itself, if we hold it like perpendicular or sticking in, is actually quite wide, and that's what is causing the little black circle to appear in your footage. So the solution is very simple. What you need to do is get yourself an adapter like this. Let me just bring that to the screen. So the adapter here, as you can see, is very straight and doesn't have the circle, so it's just got the normal tripod thing at the bottom there and the GoPro attachment at the top. Now, if you attach that to your top of your selfie stick, like so, and then you can take your footage, your entire selfie stick will disappear along the course if your camera is straight. Let me just cut to show you what I mean. So there you go, guys, that is my quick tip for today, and hopefully it's going to help you out with your footage and save a lot of frustration. Okay, if you like this video, of course you know what to do. Please subscribe to my channel to help me encourage me to do more videos, and hope you enjoy and come along for the ride. It's going to be fun being on this channel. Take care and see you soon.